It's a 2014 Chevrolet Impala. When you make your entrance in this Impala, everyone will know you've arrived, and it comes with all the amenities you need. External memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, remote engine start, manual tilting steering column, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.